Gathering objective evidence is a fundamental part of the audit process. It ensures that audit findings are based on facts, not assumptions or opinions. Proper evidence collection helps auditors verify compliance, identify risks, and drive continuous improvement. In this lesson, we'll cover 1. What is objective evidence in auditing? 2. 3 key methods for gathering evidence. Observation. Documentation review. 3 best practices for ensuring reliable and accurate evidence collection. By using these techniques, auditors can ensure that their findings are credible, well-documented, and actionable. 1. What is objective evidence in auditing? Objective evidence refers to verifiable facts, records, and observations that support audit findings. It must be factual, based on real observable data, reliable, repeatable, and consistent across different conditions, relevant, directly related to the audit criteria and objectives, documented, properly recorded for future reference and verification. 2. 3 key methods for gathering evidence. Observation, seeing the process in action. Observation allows auditors to witness operations firsthand and check if they align with documented procedures. What to look for: whether employees follow established procedures, work conditions, safety measures, and environmental compliance, machine settings, calibration, and operational efficiency, potential nonconformities or process deviations. Documentation review, verifying records and policies. Reviewing documents, records, and policies ensures that written procedures match actual practices. Key documents to review: standard operating procedures (SOPs), training records and employee certifications, inspection and maintenance logs, incident reports and corrective action records, supplier contracts and quality agreements, sampling, selecting representative data for evaluation. Since it's not practical to check every transaction or product, auditors use sampling techniques to evaluate compliance. Common sampling methods: random sampling, selecting items at random to get an unbiased view. Stratified sampling, dividing data into categories and selecting samples from each. Judgmental sampling, choosing samples based on auditor experience and risk assessment. 3 best practices for ensuring reliable and accurate evidence collection. Use multiple sources of evidence. Combine observation, document review, and sampling to get a complete picture. Verify findings with multiple data points. If a procedure is missing documentation, check if employees are following the correct process. Ensure evidence is traceable and well documented. Record dates, times, and locations of observations. Remain objective and unbiased. Avoid assumptions. Stick to facts. Ask neutral questions instead of leading responses. Key takeaways: the 3 key methods for gathering evidence are observation, documentation review, and sampling. Using multiple sources, verifying data, and maintaining accurate records strengthens the credibility of audit findings. By following these evidence-gathering techniques, auditors can make accurate assessments, improve compliance, and enhance process effectiveness. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to analyze audit evidence and identify nonconformities.